Okay, girls, I'm talking here about what I need you to do in the holidays for homework. In Bethlehem Online, I'm just going to see whether you know about the mathematics papers that you need to do. So we've got harder. So in mathematics folder, revision, you know about all that. So it's the extension one you're looking for now. You've got the HSCs. I'm in the mathematics folders now. If you look at, so here, for holiday work, mathematics, you need to make sure you've done all the past HSCs for the topics on this preliminary course. Plus for HSC, you need to have done geometrical applications of the derivative integration. We're doing the rest of these next year. Okay, so I want all of preliminary course past HSC questions done in these holidays, plus HSC course the first two topics. That is mathematics. Now for extension 1. Girls, all of prelim and the first two in mathematics for HSC course. Then for extension 1, wait a sec, it's not there. I'll look in the year 12 folder actually, and I'll make sure that you've been given it. In extension 1, year 12, I'm just hoping there's stuff in here. Revision. So can you girls just go into that and see if you've got access? You need to go to year 12, extension 1, revision. Year 12, extension 1, revision. Here are the HSCs there as well for, well, not that one. So down here, 2014 to 2016. Oh, don't like that. No, we don't want the solutions. Wait, I clicked on the wrong one. I'll just close that. Revision. It's just loading. I want you looking at 2014 to 2016. Right. Preliminary course, all of that, maths course prelim. Actually, I'm not sure about this maths course prelim. There might be some harder stuff. I think that's harder mathematics, and some of that you may not be able to do yet. But all these others, geometry, trig, etc. Perms and coms you can do. I'd be doing those. Polynomials prelim. Actually, mathematics course prelim you can look at. Integration using substitution you can do. And mathematical induction you can do. Okay, mathematical induction, integration. You won't actually be able to do all of the integration using substitution. I'd probably leave that one out. Why can't I get in there? Yeah. Or do I just, no, well, I'm just going to have a look at it now. Mathematics course prelim's fine. Let me go to the HSC ones. That's going to take a while, isn't it? So you will not really get, so you got harder, that's 3D trig. You've got linear functions, division of an interval. You've got parametrics in there. You've got permutations and combinations in there. You've also got polynomials prelim in there. You've got now mathematics course HSC, you can't do that. Integration, you can't do all that yet. So just leave it, because it's got, and further trig, you can't. You can do some of it, but notice it's got pi. Did I ever do that with you? No. So we're doing that next term. In the HSC ones, I'd just be looking at induction. Mathematical induction, it's down towards the end. So for HSC extension 1, wait, it's coming. None of this yet. We've got a lot to cover next year, girls. Induction. Girls? Okay, so for HSC, Extension 1, you can start looking at induction. The first question looks fine. That's an inequality one. They look okay. All right, so I'd be looking at those. Differentiation from first, okay. Well, you may have a problem with this one here. But yeah, I'd be, and I don't know whether you can do this one yet, 2006 5D. You might be able to, I'm not sure. But we can always look at that when we look at trig again, okay? So you've got the induction questions as well, okay? That's holiday work. So all the prelim stuff, and in HSC, the only one that you need to do is induction. Because if you look at the title page, permutations and combinations, which is what we did earlier this term, is actually part of the prelim course. You know, we spent a few weeks on it, and the only other one, I wouldn't be bothered with the integration at the moment because there's still log functions, exponential functions, and trig functions with further integration, which we haven't done. But the other one I'd look at is the mathematical induction down the bottom there. All right? That's what I want you doing in holidays. Okay? Now, if you've got the past HSC questions booklets, you can even go earlier than 2006. If you've got Success 1, you can go to 2005. You just look up, for example, induction or perms and coms. At the front of the book, it's got that. If you don't have that version of the book, just get someone to take a photo of it for you and send it to you. Okay, now, homework problems. Also, girls, in the holidays, I need you working from the 6th of January. You'll be working on those past papers that I've shown you from that time. Okay, so please, you need to do all past HSC questions for Extension 1 topics as well as mathematics topics. For the mathematics topics, you also need to have done integration and geometrical applications of the derivative. And for mathematics HSC topics, you need to do those two. And for Extension 1 HSC, you need to have looked at mathematical induction as well. If you don't do that, girls, you're going to find yourselves in, it's not going to be very nice when it comes to week 9 or week 8 and you've got your exams. You're going to be struggling a lot. So you need that preparation time in the holidays. Have a nice Christmas.